I'm Dr. Tex VerMilyea, and I'm the VP of Scientific Advancement for Ovation Fertility. And we recently had an abstract accepted for ASRM 2021, where we wanted to identify a generalizable model for ranking blastocyst stage embryos using deep learning algorithms. Now, the objective was to develop a model for ranking embryos at the blastocyst stage that is applicable to any type of microscope, the day of image capture, as well as the actual cycle type. And so what we're able to show is that with a large access to data and diverse data set, we developed a generalizable model that can be broadly applicable and actually outperforms the manual grading done by the human eye and by an embryologist. So we're able to therefore identify which embryo is more likely to lead to a pregnancy at a more accurate way versus the human embryologist looking down the microscope and using their eyes to assign a morphological grade to the embryo. All in all, this shows the ability of artificial intelligence and deep learning capabilities within the laboratory to help us better identify which embryo is more likely to lead to a successful pregnancy.